Hello everyone. Today we are diving into one of the fundamental sorting algorithms, which is bubble sort. Whether you are a programming newbie or a seasoned coder, understanding how bubble sort works is essential. So let's get started. To grasp bubble sort, we need to know its core idea. At its heart, bubble sort is a simple comparison-based sorting algorithm. So what is the idea behind bubble sort? Imagine you have a list of numbers or elements that need sorting. Bubble sort repeatedly steps through the list, compares adjacent elements, and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. Let's break down the steps of bubble sort with a simple example. You can see from this example, I have taken an array of 5 elements, and this array is not sorted yet. And in our right hand side, the algorithm of the bubble sort is written. And as you can see, using for loop, we are iterating through this list and checking if the ith element is greater than I plus 1th element or not. And if it is true, we will swap each other's place, and this particular step will go on unless the whole array is completely sorted in an ascending order. So let's take our first pair, which is 100 and 70. So we will check if 100 is greater than 70 or not. Obviously 100 is greater than 70. So what we will do, 100 will go to the temporary variable and 70 will take 100 space. And then from temporary variable 100 will take 70 space. So similarly, in our next pair, we will take 105. As we know, 100 is greater than 5. So the same process will be repeat. 100 will go to the temporary variable and 5 will go to the 100 space, and then from temporary variable to 5 space. In our next pair, we have 100 and 0. Obviously 100 is greater than 0, so 100 will go to the temporary variable and 0 will take its place, and 100 will go to the 0 space. And in our next pair, we have 100 and 11. So obviously 100 is greater than 11. So 100 will go to the temporary variable as usual, and 11 will go to the 100 space. And after that, 100 will go to the 11 space. So our first pass is complete. In our first pass, we can see that the biggest element inside that array is already placed in the most right hand side. So in our next pass, what we will do, we will start from the first pair, and we know that 70 is greater than 5. So 70 will go to the temporary variable, 5 will take its place, and 70 will take 5 space. And this particular thing will go on for this particular pass. So let's do the same thing. As you can see, 70 has reached its place. So the second biggest number is already reached its place. Now, in third pass, as you can see, I am doing the same process. And if we check this value, obviously 5 is not greater than 11, so no swap will occur. So we will start from the next pass, and we will get that 0 and 5, but 0 is not greater than 5, so no swapping will occur. And as you can see, our array is sorted. Okay, so this is how, using bubble sort algorithm, we can sort an array. Using this web application, we can visualize the algorithm in action. So first, generate a random array, and according to the bubble sort algorithm, we will take the first pair and we check if the first element is greater than second element or not. Obviously, in our case, 34 is greater than 70. So if I click on this swap button, the swap will occur. And in the next pair, 34 is greater than 28. So the swap will occur and it will go on. So as you can see, our first pass is completed. And in each pass, the largest unsorted element finds its correct place at the end of the array. So we will go to the next pass and repeat the steps. Our array is getting sorted. Now our array is in ascending order. I hope you guys understand.
Try to compile this particular C programming code, and it is compiled perfectly fine, and then enter 10 numbers. Have to count it. Okay, so it is okay, it is 10 numbers. Okay, so you can see before sorting and then after sorting it is in ascending order. So thank you everyone.